Hi, my name is Chris Daniels and I am the Chair of Green Adelaide. And today's a really important day today because we are presenting the initial findings of a scoping report that's focused on whether we can bring platypus back to Karrawirra Pari, the River Torrens. We have embarked on this audacious examination to determine whether this iconic animal can return to its habitat. Platypus were here and they disappeared in the 1880s. Could we actually bring them back? Today we are meeting with our stakeholders and our collaborators to review these findings or these sets of findings and to determine the next steps. In conjunction with their input, we will be producing the next stage in the collaboration report. Our great hope is that we can bring back platypus, an animal that was here, an iconic animal. We have destroyed its habitat and lost this animal very quickly after the establishment of white settlement. We have been working for more than 40 years to improve the habitat along the full 85 kilometres. What if we could do it? We will need your help and we will need your input in the next stages after today's fantastic meeting. Thank you.